flying vehicles are no longer a fantasy. Today, we're covering everything from a flying bike that can go up to 96 kilometers per hour, all the way to luxury hybrid aircraft. But before we begin, do subscribe to the channel if you love latest tech breakthroughs. Hoverbike S3. If you ever desired the flying speeder bikes that are shown in sci-fi movies racing through forests or deserts, the Hoverbike S3 can make your dream become a reality because it is the real-world version of this fantasy. It is developed with cutting-edge aerospace materials that are also equipped with intelligent electronic systems to make it an engineering marvel. It has a quad-rotor layout, which allows it to have vertical takeoff and hover capabilities like the military helicopters, while its aerodynamic body gives it significant control over its flights during both high and low altitudes. Unlike many flying machines that require spacious environments or long runways to take off or land properly, the Hoverbike S3 can navigate through tighter spaces and can also hover at lower altitudes. It combines the feel of a motorcycle, but with the freedom of flight. Its carbon fiber body keeps the machine light, but also highly durable as well. And the onboard flight systems monitor everything around it, from its altitude to stability to any sudden changes in its environment. Several countries have already tested the hoverbike for their police patrols, quick response missions, and tactical operations. It shows how this technology can change the way emergency services navigate through traffic-heavy cities. And for the adventurous people who love adrenaline-heavy sports, it brings a possibility of a new extreme sports category that can now happen in 3 dimensions. CopterPack. Have you ever dreamed of having your own personal helicopter? If yes, then be ready to fulfill your wish very soon. Instead of a bulky cockpit and a spinning overhead blade, now you can have your own lightweight futuristic CopterPack, which can make you fly just like a helicopter. This backpack is designed to merge power and simplicity into one. It features 2 large counter-rotating rotors that are mounted on a rigid ultralight frame that the pilot wears like a high-tech harness. Once the rotors start engaging, the CopterPack lifts the pilot effortlessly into the air. It can be easily controlled with intuitive hand grips, and you can smoothly change its direction, elevation, and stabilization without any complication. This system is light enough for everyday users while also being powerful enough to reach impressive altitudes. This combination makes it a versatile solution for everything from inspection to recreational exploration. Unlike many personal flyers of the past, the CopterPack does not require an aviation license in many regions, which places it among the most accessible aerial mobility inventions which are available today. And its potential is still growing while the engineers are continuously improving its battery technology and are also trying to make its rotor design more efficient every year. This CopterPack represents a huge leap toward a compact personal aviation future. It might become normal in the future to have one of these, just like having a bicycle in your everyday life. Jetson One. Now let me show you something sleek, elegant, lightweight, and that looks more like a vehicle that is built to give everyday people the chance to fly like birds. The Jetson One is a single-seat electric aircraft that is designed to be functional while also being thrilling at the same time. Its frame resembles something like a racing drone and a minimalistic cockpit, which has open sides and lightweight construction. Its 8 electric motors can produce a force that is enough to make it glide smoothly through the air with an impressive level of stability. The Jetson One truly breaks boundaries in how simple it is to operate. Instead of requiring years of pilot training, it uses an onboard stabilizing system and flight assisting software so that normal people can also easily fly it for their daily commute. The onboard computer makes micro adjustments constantly, which allows the rider to focus on direction rather than worrying about complex aerodynamic controls. The engineers have also included a combination of multiple safety redundancies, like emergency landing assistance and obstacle avoidance sensors, to make its flights further safe and accessible. The combination of electric propulsion, compact design, and its easy-to-operate control system has resulted in thousands of pre-orders of this Jetson One aircraft. This invention and the response it has received proved that the dream of a personal flying vehicle in every garage is actually much closer than most people even realize. Flyboard Air. Picture a platform that is the same size as a skateboard, but this time it is powered by a jet turbine, which can lift you above the ocean effortlessly and can also propel you across the air as if the laws of physics were just optional in real life. This amazing invention of the modern era is called Flyboard Air. It is powered by multiple high-performance turbines, and this machine can produce a force that is enough to lift a fully grown rider dozens of meters into the air while maintaining an astonishing level of stability. The Flyboard Air uses a well-coordinated and sophisticated balance system that keeps the pilot steady even at high speeds, which allows smooth glides, sharp directional changes, and controlled descents for landing safely. Its performance capabilities have stunned spectators worldwide, especially when its creator himself flew it across the challenging long-distance route that most engineers used to consider impossible for a device that is this small in size. The fact that it can take off and land in extremely tight spaces without any runway makes it an even more suitable candidate for search and rescue operations or military applications that look like they are from a futuristic action film. The real promise about the Flyboard Air is not just about fun, it's actually about compact flight that requires no runway, no giant infrastructure, and almost no preparation to fly. You just need to strap in, power up this device, and elevate into the sky. Gravity jet suit. We all have seen Iron Man wearing his suit with style and then blasting off the ground. Now imagine yourself stepping into your driveway, slipping your arms into your futuristic armored sleeves, and within seconds, flying away into the sky with smooth and controlled power, just like a superhero movie. This kind of transformation is being brought to life by the Gravity Jet suit. This advanced suit is built by Gravity Industries, and this remarkable invention uses a set of compact jet turbines that are attached to both arms and the back. These jets create a controlled propulsion system that allows it to mimic the fluid flight style of fictional suits shown in movies. This system produces a staggering amount of thrust, which is enough to lift the pilot to an impressive height, and also allows him to reach a speed that will totally change what personal transportation can do. But the real magic of this suit lies in how natural the flight actually feels. Instead of having any kind of complicated controls or bulky cockpits, the pilot can use this suit by subtle arm motions to change its direction and speed with ease. It becomes less like operating a machine and more about mastering a new form of movement. It's almost like learning to balance on a bicycle for the first time, but this time the ground is far beneath you. If you're enjoying this breakdown video, then do subscribe to our channel for more technology innovation-related deep dive videos. Airspeeder Mark III. Now, if you think that the racing on the ground is pretty intense, imagine two pilots competing in the air in high-speed duels. The Airspeeder Mark III is the world's first flying racecraft, which is designed specifically for sports. It is built to redefine competitive racing by introducing a new category. This electric vertical takeoff aircraft combines ultra-fast propulsion, aerodynamic precision, and agile maneuvering capabilities. With this combination, it can easily compete with advanced drones. The Airspeeder's frame has multiple powerful rotors that give it explosive acceleration and also help in precise handling while making it capable of taking sharp turns, doing high G maneuvers, and performing rapid vertical climbs. Because speed is the only part of the thrill in this aircraft, so it also relies on sophisticated onboard systems, which include a collision avoidance system, collision avoidance software, GPS-based track mapping, and autopilot safety protocols to avoid any accidents due to high speed. Pivotal Helix. The Pivotal Helix is a personal aircraft that is designed by engineers so simply and intelligently that most people can learn to operate it faster than they learned to drive a car. It represents the next step in accessible flights in the daily lives of normal people. It has a fixed-wing structure, a lightweight electric propulsion system, and intuitive stabilization mechanics that help the Helix transform flying into a streamlined, stress-free experience for everyone. Its well-structured and clean aerodynamic shape allows it to have efficient forward motion, while the vertical takeoff propulsion makes its liftoff very smooth and runway-free. The flight computer system installed in this aircraft manages nearly all complex aeronautical calculations on its own, which leaves the pilot to just control the direction and altitude with minimal input and subtle controls. The aircraft also contains automated essential landing protocols, real-time environmental monitoring, and built-in flight path correction software to drastically reduce the risks associated with recreational aviation. Trifan 600. The Trifan 600 is a machine that has the potential to redefine modern travel. This is a hybrid aircraft that combines the best elements of helicopters, jets, and vertical takeoff systems into one single, sleek, powerful machine, built for both luxury travel and practical use. With ducted fans that pivot seamlessly between vertical lift and high-speed forward flight, this Trifan aircraft delivers capabilities that are far beyond small airplanes or conventional helicopters' reach. What actually makes the Trifan so extraordinary is its speed and range. It can fly across hundreds of kilometers at jet-level cruising speeds, rise to high altitudes which are usually reserved for commercial aircraft, and also land on small pads in tight urban areas. This eliminates the need for airports. Imagine yourself boarding a 6-seat aircraft from your office rooftop and skipping a 4-hour interstate drive with a quick aerial hop. For businesses, this modern technology marvel could revolutionize logistics, corporate travel, emergency response, and medical transport. And for everyday people, it could change vocations, regional movement, and even everyday commuting. With future air taxi networks already being planned, the Trifan aircraft also signals the start of a completely new era of human mobility. A chapter where distances shrink, roads become optional, and flight becomes as common as driving. These machines simply prove that the future of transportation has officially taken off, and the age of personal flight is not coming. It's already here. Let us know in the comments section which aircraft you would like to fly first, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting vehicle innovations and tech-related videos.